when it comes to business, one thing I can tell you for a fact is that you can never know it all. I don't know what you think about this, but you can never know it all. You may think that that thing you're doing right now is the best business. I mean, it is the best thing that can give you the best profits, my sister, my brother. When you know the secret of other businesses, you'll be wowed. You know, most times when I see people selling lip gloss online, I usually wonder, how are these people making money? Is it really profitable? You know, I just look at them, I'm like, lip gloss, and you are running ads. I know how expensive ads can be. How are you people covering it? You're selling lip gloss of 2,500, 3,000, 4,000. I'm just wondering. And guys, today I was shocked. When I tell you that I was shocked, I was really, really shocked. I opened my mouth like this when I did calculation. See, if you know me so well, you will know that I am a lip gloss girlies. I buy lip gloss a lot, different types. I buy the plain one, I buy the magic one, I shall buy lip gloss. So I am running sales right currently in my store, and I am gifting my customers a lot of things. So I decided to go, you know, buy different gift items in the market. When I was done buying everything, guys, I now saw one inner store where they sell strictly lip gloss. I said, let me enter here. Maybe I can just pick 2 or 3 for myself. And when I entered, they said they don't sell pieces. What they sell is pack. And I said, okay, what's the price for the pack and how many do we have in a pack? See, listen to me carefully. Watch this video to the very end, because this might be your next business. Trust me. I said, okay, how much do you sell a pack? They showed me different types, and I love this magic lip gloss a lot. I was done buying stuff. I bought a whole lot of gifts. So they showed me this, that it comes 24. They showed me other varieties. I just love this particular one, the packaging, the coloring, everything. I love it. And I said, how much? The man said 25,000. I said, no, I want to buy pack. You're selling for me 20. He said, okay, best price is 22,000, and I paid for it. But when I was about going, I was like, you must small here. You know, even tell this man, say, oh, what if I'm buying five packs? What will be the price? Because I know that this 22 he gave me is because I was buying just 1 pack. If I was buying up to 5 packs, don't be surprised I'll be even getting it for 20,000 naira per pack if I was buying up to 5. Now, why am I saying this? I'm saying this to tell you that there is profit in lip gloss business. When you see people that are doing this business, see, sometimes when you go to this major market, trade fair, Lagos Island, you will see a whole, you see grown people doing this business by the roadside, and you think as if they are not making money. They whine. Few weeks ago, or even up to a month, I bought just one. In front of my store, there's a store where they sell this. I bought just one. I bought just one for 2,000 naira. In fact, she was saying 2,800, but finally, she gave me for 2,000 naira, and I was happy that this one is good, it's affordable, and it's quite big. The bottle is quite big. 2,000 naira. This is what I bought for 22k. Guys, we are gonna do this maths together. Bring out your calculator. If you're looking for a business to venture into, and you have just 22k this season, you know that this is the season of lip gloss, and lip gloss is one thing that you can sell anywhere. If you are a student, you will make money off this particular. Wait, let me do calculation for you. When I came back and I started running calculator, because I'm a business person, trust me to press calculator. I came back, I was pressing my calculator. 22,000 that this guy sold it to me, divided by 24 pieces. Here we have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24, right? Now, this is what it's giving me. 916. I'm going to leave the screenshot for you on the screen. 22,000 divided by 24 is giving me 916. Let's say you approximate it, everything to 950. To the nearest, approximately figure, right? Just approximate it to 950, and then your transport fare, your blah blah blah. Leave everything as cost price to be 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. This is what I bought for 2,000 naira with a bag. 2,000 naira. Now imagine you're selling this with almost 100% profit. Imagine the lady that sold one for me 2,000 naira, and let's know how much her profit is. You already know she's making 1,000 naira profit on each. The profit on this particular pack is exactly the amount she bought, 100% profit. Am I making sense? Saying if you go buy this pack for 22k, you can resell it for 2,000 naira and you make 22k as profit. When you're going back to buy, you're not just buying 1 pack, you end up buying 2. I mean, which business currently in Nigeria will give you 100%? But even my bad business, who want me to chop this kind of profit? Like, what? This is small but mighty. I see, when it comes to business, something where you don't know. See, This is small pomade. This is the magic one, oh, the one that when you apply it, it changed color. Can you see the color? This one, when you apply it, you'll be getting pink. Are you getting the colors? This one, when you apply it, I think red, it changes color. This is the magic lip gloss. Are you seeing it? So if you're a student, you want to sell this and make money. If you have like a cosmetic store and you're not selling this, you sell retails, right? And you're not selling lip gloss, you're losing on money. You're sleeping on good money. Trust me to always come here and give you guys the best update, because I want you all to make money this season. That's why I told you all that it is not late for you to make money this December that we are entering. This December that we're entering, you can sell up to 10 packs of this. Yes, if you sabi business, you sabi market, you can sell up to 10 packs of this. Imagine you're making 22,000 naira as profit times 10 pack. Do your calculation now. Unless if you are just that kind of person that I don't know how to tell people what I sell, I don't know how to sell. 22,000 naira times 10. Did you see the figure it's giving you? You can make that as profit. Oh my goodness. Lip gloss, I salute you now. And I'm not small again. Lip gloss vendor, you are not small at all. There is money in this stuff. There is money in this stuff. What? If you're looking for a business to start, a student, a mom, you have 22k. Please go look for this and buy it. I bought this inside of Trade Fair Market. If you ask me now, only which plaza is that? Seriously, I don't know the name of the plaza. But if you go to Abia Gates, those are where they sell retail. You will get one for 1518. If you go to Abia Gates axis of Trade Fair Market. But if you ask me the plaza where I saw this wholesaler, I can't really tell you the name of the plaza. But I don't know. I was done buying things. I went through Enugu Plaza, and inside this, I was done buying things. I was just going out, and I just stumbled on this. Maybe, you know, this video is for somebody. This video is for somebody. Learn to stand up from your comfort zone. Enter this market. You will see products. In fact, when I finish, I was seeing other products, other beauty products, you know, and I know that there is money in this business. See, trust me, I feel enter this business next year. So what are you waiting for, my lady? What are you waiting for, my lady? You're not doing anything and you're looking for what will give you money ASAP. Sell lip gloss this season. This is Harmattan season, wherever you are in Nigeria. This is Harmattan season. People will patronize lip gloss and they want original, good quality ones. This is it. Sell lip gloss and make money. That is what this video is all about. To come share this good news. I mean, not be good news. To come share this good news with my people on my channel. Hope you found this helpful. If you do, please smash the like button. I don't want to implicate myself now by saying, should I go back and, you know, source for this supplier, source for this person that sold this to me, because I don't know if I'll be chance to go back to that market. I would have loved to do that for you guys, because I know most of you will be interested. But I'm just going to give you description. If you know Trade Fair Market, right, just go towards the Abia Gate, but don't go towards Abia Plaza. Go towards Enugu. Just walk straight. I shall not say another Enugu, maybe end of Enugu. I don't know the name of the other plazas there. That was where I saw this. Or you can ask people where the dealers of lip gloss are. Guys, business day, oh, now you know. Business day, now you know. Don't look down on any business again. Like, I know they look down on any business, because money, the profit that is on this is even more than times 3, times 4, times 5 of what is in my own business. Then imagine that you are now big and you are not importing it. You know, these people, they imported now. They don't put their, you are not importing it. Oh shit. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Just drop my thank you for me in the comment section if you know you got value from this video. I'll see you in the next one.